In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Target gift card online. This is going to be a quick tutorial, so stick around till the end. First, open up a web browser and log into your Target.com account. Type in the URL www.target.com and press enter on your keyboard. Also, make sure that you are logged into your Target.com account. Once you're inside, you can easily use your gift card as a method of payment while checking out with the product online. So go ahead and select a product that you like to shop and add it to your shopping bag. Once you are done adding it to your shopping bag, click open the shopping bag at the top right-hand corner and now proceed to the checkout page by clicking on the checkout button on the right-hand side. After everything's okay with the order, enter the information such as shipping address and payment. You will need to enter your payment information. If you want to use a gift card for this purchase, simply click on add right next to the gift card and enter a Target gift card number in the text bar. Once you are done entering the card number available on your Target gift card, enter the access number available on the card itself. Remember that your access number is 8 digits long. After you are done entering all of the information, click on the apply button to apply your gift card balance in this particular approach. And that is how to use Target gift card online. Like if you like, comment, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.